Lianding's high-capacity recycled plastic washing line offers a maximum throughput of 2,000 kilograms per hour, ensuring high productivity for PP, PE, HDPE, and other plastics. Fully automated with advanced components like Siemens motors and PLC control, it guarantees efficient operation and consistent quality. Equipped with comprehensive cleaning modules, including bale opener, dewatering, floating washing, and label removal, this robust system produces clean plastic flakes with only 1 to 2% moisture. Backed by a 2-year warranty, it is ideal for sustainable plastic recycling operations.